Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you have your hot cup of coffee in your hand right now because we, in front of us, have Meridian Grooming's newest colors for their body trimmers. Meridian Grooming, if you're not familiar with them, they have nose and ear trimmers, body trimmers, all sorts of different grooming products. Top link in the description box right below the video will be the direct link where you guys can go, see these products, see what other people are saying about them, and pick them up yourself after the video is done. Meridian has come out with their newest colors. If you didn't see my first video, their trimmers were a nice matte green color, and you're not gonna wanna miss this. So let's go ahead and bring these out. And these are them right here. We have Solar, which of course is your yellow. We have Sky Blue, and we have Blaze, which is your red. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Sky Blue. All three are gonna be the exact same inside the box with accessories. All right, let's see what this guy looks like. Hey, take a look at that bad boy right there. Now we do have plastic over it, so it does look glossier. Let's go ahead and remove that plastic, which reveals a matte color, which looks absolutely stunning. Nice little handle to it, kind of an anti-slip fill to it, which is really nice. We of course have our top guard right here. I'm very glad they engineered it like that. Now we do have a high quality ceramic blade, anti-nick shaving guard. You can very easily, with that said, remove it for a replacement as well. And then that just clips back into place, and that clips back into place there like that. Again, 5 different settings for personal grooming. You have a travel safety on and off button so it doesn't start while you're traveling. Nice little travel lock. One charge lasts for 90 minutes. And this is waterproof for wet or dry grooming. You do have a USB Type-C port right here, or you can place it in the stand. I'm going to show you in just a second. It is a pretty quiet device, which is nice. Let's listen in for a second. And then you have your battery indicator light right here. And then you hit it one more time for a LED light right there, so you can see what you're doing. And then one more power off. Or if it's on just the mode where the LED light is not off, 1000, 1000, and it turns off. Or again, go through, and then third press, it's good to go. Also in the box, of course, is our user manual, our accessories, and our charging dock here, which of course is in the same sky blue as you can see right here. So if you want to use the charging dock on your bathroom vanity counter, USB charging port Type-C is in the back of this. So this goes in here, charging plug is right there, charging it, or leave it out on the counter and plug it in that way. Couple ways of charging it. In here, we have our blade guard here. And what this is gonna do, this is gonna clip on, and this is gonna give you your 5 different grooming settings. So you can go really short, which I like to do my chest, which I'm gonna give you some examples here. Or you clip this on like this here. And it's a little hard to see on camera, but it's numbered here for 1, 2, 3, or 4 with the guard. Or of course, remove it for your 5th setting here. And that just clips down or clips up for those settings, or just removes all the way. And then lastly in the box, we do have a cleaning brush, and we have a USB to USB Type-C charging cable. So let's go ahead and fully charge this and show you some examples. All right, we're all charged up, ready to go, and your boy needs a trim. Obviously, I'm not gonna use this for my hair, but I do need a haircut. But I wanna show you a couple options here, even if you're in a pinch. Obviously, go north to south if you're worried about hygiene. But sitting on the countertop, we're looking real sharp in the freshly remodeled bathroom. So let's go ahead and trim away. Let's pull off the guard for right now, and I do want to show you what is possible if you needed to clean it up. And obviously I go north to south. If you needed to clean up your beard line, and then these little curly cues that get back here, if you were running out the door. And then again, just wash it if you were concerned about hygiene. And get your beard line all the way down, as we can see here. Use your guard if you do like more of a neck beard, but I don't know who would. All right, we're ripping real good. Let's show you what it could do on your chest hair. I won't go over this portion right here. Had a little burn off a little something. Wear your sunscreen, kids. But let me go ahead and show you ripping through the chest. Again, you could do it on dry land like I'm doing now, or you could do it in the shower. We won't get too high up there, but right in the crevice of your chest, coming around, no nicks or cuts. Definitely get the upper back, little portion there that beads up on your upper back right here. Just a quick trim all the way up and down, and then nobody likes a lot of pit hair. I mean, totally up to you. I personally don't. Not a big fan at all. So I like to get in there. Now notice how aggressive I'm getting, and that ceramic blade is not cutting me, it's not nicking me. And also I do want to show you this. So I grew out the stubbles on my hair purposely for this video. As we can see, it just running straight across there. Let's do a little bit more so you can kind of see exactly what I'm talking about from bushy. I like to shave my arms personally. Shows a little bit more definition in your muscles, and it's just a personal preference. And I like to keep my leg hair short as well, as we can see the hair here. And doing a good job there. Obviously need to do a little bit more there, but I won't bore you with that. And then of course coming down to your stomach hair, getting all of that, even right over my mole, not nicking it or anything like that. And then obviously off camera, of course, I'll be going below the waistline, and I'll come back and let you know all about that. But let me show you this as well with your blade guard. You can use it on whatever guard length you want to go ahead and trim up your arm hair, your leg hair. As we can see, they're just ripping beautifully right through that coarser leg hair, as we can see, up around your knees, etc. for you athletes. Well, folks, did a great job. Did my legs with the trim guard, under the armpits, completed the chest, stomach. I do want to wrap it up with below the belt. Now that area is sensitive. Your chest, your stomach can take jamming it in, but don't go down south and think you could just jam it in. Even with a ceramic blade, I've tried all the body hair trimmers. You just have to be a little bit more gentle as you're getting the south hair. Up at the chest, you can rip right into it. Again, you're not gonna get any nicks or cuts up here, but below the belt, if you're doing that, yeah, of course you're gonna get nicks and cuts. So just take it a little bit easier, super easy to clean, popped it open, blew the hair out, threw the hair away, vacuum it up, does a great job. Still need to brush the hair, but looking a lot better. I'll tell you what, a good body trim, a good haircut is like a car wash when your car is dirty. After you vacuum it, you wash your car, you're like, I like what I'm seeing. Same way with bushy armpits, chest, etc. Don't forget about the other colors. Blue, yellow, red. In the description box below, once again, top link will be your link for this exact same trimmer by Meridian Grooming. Pick a couple up yourself, depends on when you're watching this. It is almost Father's Day. Pick one up for your dad, siblings, yourself, you name it. But please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, go ahead and purchase on the way. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out, helps the channel and the YouTube algorithm. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. DIY house remodel videos, van life builds, tech review videos, and more. Thank you so much. Once again, your link is below. We'll see you on the next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.